I thought it's about time to take out my dirt bike. It will not start, so I think I need to do some stuff here. The spark plug is pretty much new, so I don't know. The clutch seemed to be screwed up again, so I don't know if I need to take this one out or what's going on. Doesn't really seem like the fuel is reaching the carburetor. I don't know what's going on there. Seems pretty empty to me. Maybe I need some new stuff here as well. Well, I'll take this apart and see what I can do. Perhaps I'll buy some. You see it's very hard here. It's not supposed to be that, so okay, we'll see. Okay, so maybe the fuel was too low. It had been sitting for like 7 or 8 months now. So I fill up some fuel there in the tank. I put this one on here and we'll see what happens. Ta-da! You see that, huh? That's great. Maybe it will start now. I still have the problem though with the clutch. We'll see. Maybe it's because it has been sitting for quite some long time. The clutch, the discs kind of like fasten together. So yeah. So let's go ahead and see how good it starts. That's pretty good. The only problem I have though is that when it runs this good, I'm on half choke. That's not good. When I have the choke all the way down, it will start to misfire, and you know, it's yeah, it's not going good at all. So I'm not really sure where the fuel is coming from there. Where is it leaking? Oh, it's from there. That's not good. I need to repair that, I think. Okay, so there's the carburetor here. I'm not happy about this because I had this loose just before I put the dirt bike away. I had this away and I cleaned it all up and everything, and now it seems screwed up again. So well, I guess this tells a little bit about it. Yeah. Kantai? Designed in Japan? I don't think so. Maybe designed in China or something. I'll take this one apart and see what I can do. So I took this one apart now and I cleaned it up pretty good. I still need to clean the needle there, as we call it. Of course I want to make sure it works properly, so when that one is full with fuel, this one, I don't know how to explain this. This one raises up like that and supposed to stop the fuel coming in. So I need to clean that to make sure it works. So otherwise the rubber gasket here isn't very good, so I turn it around to see if that will solve the problem. I'm a redneck, so I do this the redneck style here. So I cleaned the jet stream there and the other thing there. So I'll go ahead and take that one away now and see. Okay, so I thought I'd show you this here. The needle, as I call it, goes down to this one here. That's a seat down there that stops the fuel to enter this one here, because the fuel comes in that way there. So when putting this stuff back here, you see you have here, I have the needle hanging there, and be very careful when doing this because you don't want to mess this kind of stuff up here. So put it in there, just very careful, like that. And then you take this one here and put it back in there through that one. Just careful, very careful here. Make sure it, oh, oops, that's maybe the wrong way there, sorry about that. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Like this. You just make sure it fits properly there. And what you also want to do is to make sure that it's working. So fuel coming in this one here. As the fuel coming in, this one rises up there and stops just about there. So that's how it works. So when this is done here, I go ahead and put this one back here, and then I'm pretty much ready to go. Okay, so the carburetor is back now. I'm about to turn on the fuel here and see what's gonna happen. If it's going to leak. Doesn't really seems like it though. You can see the fuel is pumping there. I hope it will not leak. So the air screw was screwed up. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can start this one up now. So I'm about to go and buy some new seats. So hard there, I can barely. This is some China crap there. Oh yeah, there it says. Come on, focus. It says, do not buy this, it's crap. Yeah, that's what it says. Do not buy this, it's crap. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the town now to buy some new of this stuff. I hope I'll find something that is the same measuring there. At least it's pretty soft out there. And I need a new filter as well, I think. I can't really see anything wrong with this one, but you know, that's the way it is. Okay, I'll be back. So I just got back from city. I bought some that I think is pretty much the same there. On this side is the smaller one. That's pretty much the same there. But on this side it's bigger, so I bought some bigger there. And this one also fits right here, just perfect, so that's good. So I'm about to go inside and get some cappuccino now, and when I come back here I will cut this one to length and get it back on the dirt bike and see what happens. Okay, put on the new stuff here. Not really sure about this, but I will give it a try. So let's open this one up here and see if it still will leak. The fuel comes in there. I hope it will not leak. So what I will do now is that I will try to start this engine and see if it works. That's what I will do. Seems like it's still leaking a little bit of fuel there. I don't know what's going on with that. Anyway, the air screw is right under there. I don't have a screwdriver that fits in there to screw that one in. On half choke the engine works just fine. I think I need to screw that one a little bit in. So, redneck as I am, I will make my own little tool. I will make this one a little flat screwdriver. That's what I will do. Yeah. And that's how you make your own little screwdriver. Yeah. That's how you make it. Yeah, that's good. So let's go ahead and try to screw that airflow screw. Okay, so let's have a look if it fits right there. Yeah, just perfect. Okay, it fits just perfect there. I'll go ahead and adjust that one. Oh wow, that's cool. That's pretty cool. You see it melts right away. It hits the ground. It's melting right there. So that's pretty cool. So as you can see, the chain is not very good. I had to make my own little some stuff here. That little plastic thing there. And it's kind of loose now, so I guess a couple of years ago I made this one out of plastic. So I think I need to tighten it up a little bit. I also have one more screw hole there, so actually I can make one more and put in front of that one. I'll go ahead and tighten this one up now so it will not come loose. That will be a tragedy. Maybe it's possible to replace this one with a aluminum plate or something that the chain can rest on, so I don't have to wear out the aluminum here, the swing. So I'll go ahead and tighten this one up for now. Okay, so I think it runs pretty good now, but still I can't get it to run correct with no choke, so I'm not really sure what that's all about. But when the choke is halfway open, that means it takes less air. So that means when it's full open, it gets too much air, and that's when that screw right over there just happened to have it in the game as well. But no matter how I screw that one there, the airflow, I can still not get it to go run the way it should with no choke. So I don't know, maybe I need to buy a new carburetor or something. It's made in China, so that's not good. Well, anyway, it runs pretty good now, even though with half choke. It's a little bit of fuel leak there. It's not very much. I mean, it's barely, you can barely see it. It's just a little bit. I don't know what that's all about. Anyway, I fixed this one here, so it's faster now. Yeah, and that's it, I think. I don't know. It seems to be working fine. One more thing I noticed a few years ago. This one here is for the ignition, for the spark plug and such. When it gets wet outside, when it comes water in this one here, the engine will just not run as good as it should do. So I'm not really sure if I have to buy a new one or before I placed this one in this place, in this area, I think 2 or 3 years ago. Before that, it used to be this place here, and this one right there. So when water and such things coming from the wheel here and reaching that one right over there, the engine just stopped. So I thought I'd place it right here. I know that's maybe not a good area either, because you have the front wheel here. So I'm not really sure how to do about that. Anyway, maybe I have to buy a new one. I'm not sure. Maybe I could use some hot glue or something to make it work better. I did some adjustments here on the clutch. This is not an easy clutch, very hard. I did some adjustments on the front brake as well. I have wave brake discs. Seem to work pretty fine, very good. I also have wave disc right here on the rear brake system here. Seems to work pretty good. So yeah. Well, anyway, I need to test this one before I can make any comment about how well it works now. It's been sitting over the winter, and before that it had been sitting for like 2 years. So, but the plastic is still on the saddle there, you can see it. So I have not been driven this very much. I think a total of maybe 4 or 5 tanks of fuel, I think, total. That's nothing. So I think the engine is barely braked in. Well, anyway, I will make a update video about this dirt bike very soon. So it's time for a little ride with my dirt bike. I've been riding it a few times now, and it seems to work pretty good. So yeah, it's very windy outside. Yeah, so I think I'll take it for a ride up in the woods. Perhaps I will scare the bears away. So that's kind of cool. But it will not be very cool if the engine will stop and I will be there up in the woods with my dirt bike, and then the bears will think, aha, that's an easy target, let's get him. Well, okay. This helmet is kind of big outside, it's kind of heavy, so I think I will have to buy a new one, because it's kind of cheap material, it's kind of thick. Anyway, it's a great helmet though, so let's go for a ride. Too bad I don't have a GoPro or something like that. Well, I can't film anything when driving, so see you later. This is great. Or not. Seems like this have been going on for a while. There's not a problem to put that one back, but to make it not get loose again, I'll see. I'll hammer this one back a little bit, try to bolt this one. It seems like it have been bolts right there, but somehow they gotten loose there. Oh well, shiny scrap anyway. Okay. Anyway, I took one of those loose here just to see what size it is. Seems like it's some millimeter. Come on. I think it's millimeter. That's not good there. I don't know what's have been going on there. Oh crap. Maybe I need to buy a new silencer here. Holy crap. Okay. Oh crap. So what I got here basically is Auspuff, as you say it in German. I don't think I will do anything with this today because it's broken. So I need to buy a new one. So maybe I should check eBay or something. So yeah, that sucks. Anyway, I got a little ride with it before it broke. well, it didn't really broke. It, you know, no silencer, and it will scream like all over your neighborhood. So it will be very, very loud, and that's not good. I don't like it. So I will go inside now and see if I can find perhaps a cheap silencer that fits this model, and maybe I'll try to buy it. Bye.